Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan. In this tutorial video, you will learn about how to create fashion sketch on Adobe Photoshop. If you are visiting first time or new to my channel, you can click on subscribe button and also press bell icon so that you can get latest updates. So let's get started with the video. So to create a fashion sketch, first of all we need to select a reference image of and then we will be using pen tool over here, and we have to keep in our mind that once we are starting from a point, then we have to close it accordingly so that it can be a proper shape. Let's say if there is body part, then we have to close that separately, and then we have to follow the dress outline to create with the help of pen tool. So you can follow this particular tutorial to learn it accordingly, and I will run this video a little faster so that entire process of creating a sketch will be done. So here I am using pen tool to create the fashion sketch as per the reference one. So we have to follow the proper guidelines, and wherever it is required to give the curve, we have to use the handle which will be available at the pen tool itself. Once you will click, then that will be visible, and make sure that wherever it is required you should zoom in and zoom out. To zoom in you can press Ctrl plus, and to zoom out you can press Ctrl minus. These things will help you out to create the proper sketch of the garment as well as the stylized croquis, whatever you are selecting as per your requirement. Just the very important part over here is to use the pen tool properly. So you have to get the command on the pen tool so that you can close the path properly. And it is very important, as I said earlier, to make it separate. Like if your garment panel has to be separate, and similarly your body part should be separate. Once it is done, then it will be easy for you to fill some color inside, or whatever the prints or patterns you are making as per your requirement. So almost we are done here, and just about to close the sketch completely. You can follow this particular tutorial to learn how to create the fashion sketch on Adobe Photoshop, which can help you out to apply later on color or your print design on this particular sketch which you are making. This will be your template forever, and you can also practice on different poses wherever you want. So here it is done. You can just hide your layer where is your reference image, then you can find the sketch which you have made. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe so that you can get latest updates. Thank you.